Now in the previous video, we have done about the features or the characteristics of sole proprietorship business. Now the feature means the characteristics. Suppose a boy is good at studies but bad in behavior. So both are characteristics of the same boy. He is good in studies but bad in behavior. So one is a advantageous point and one is disadvantageous. Similarly, the features of sole proprietorship includes all the characteristics that you find in this type of business, but some are good points and some are bad points. So some will be under advantages. So in this video, we will discuss what are the advantages of holding a business where there is a single owner, sole proprietor. And in the next video, I will be discussing with the disadvantages. So number one advantage is quick decision making. Now, sometimes the business requires quick decision making to grab any upcoming opportunity. So, if it overthinks about, it might be, the business might not be capable of grabbing the opportunity. So, in case of single owner, the decision is taken entirely by him. There is no other person to consult or he needs to wait for no other's consent. That's why quick decision making is possible here. Number two, the profit is not shared. That means the entire profit is earned or it belongs to the sole proprietor. So what happens? It provides an incentive or urge to work, or it motivates the proprietor to work. So if you know that at the end whatever decision you make and the profit is divided, so the motivation to work will be less because the income division is not desired by anybody. But if the businessman knows that whatever he takes decision, if it is right, he can enjoy the profit all by himself, it will motivate him to work more in the desired direction of earning profit. Number three, confidentiality of business information. Confidential means there are some business information that should be kept secret, because if it is not kept secret, what are your strategies, what are your plannings for the business, others might take your idea and act accordingly. So no business wants to open up their strategies to other competitors present in the market. So if there is a single owner, totally his business, what he is deciding, he is not confronting with anybody, so the business secrets can be kept. Number four, sense of accomplishment. Now this means there are many people you will find who doesn't work to work under somebody. So suppose there is any people who is working under the brand name IBM. So he must be earning a huge salary at the end of the month, but he has to follow the directives which are laid down by the company IBM. So he is working under somebody's control. But if you are of the mentality, if there is someone who doesn't want to be ruled by anybody, he wants his rule to be applied in the work field, then to accomplish his self-interest or to get self-employed, they can open up a sole proprietor business totally on their own. They will be their own boss. So sense of accomplishment means once you can achieve, once you can follow your own directives, there is a sense of satisfaction that is received. Next, easy formation and closure. Now this is also one of the advantage. I said when I discussed the features that there is very less legal formalities. Suppose I am giving one example. Suppose you are applying for abroad studies. For that, if you have to fill too many forms, you will feel that it's better to leave, because we don't like complexities in life. Similarly, to open up a business, if there are so many legal steps to pass before you open up a business, there will be automatic rigidity to not start the business. But if there is very less formality, it will be easier to form and even easy to close down. It is very simple. So one thing, if it is very simple for the sole proprietorship business to run, there will be more chances that people will come up as new entrepreneurs. So these are the 5 advantages, and that advantages are all included within the features. By studying the features only, you can understand what should be the advantages. You can take out the advantages. Some advantages are directly given from the features, and some, like confidentiality of business information, sense of accomplishment. If you use your common sense, you can understand that if only one ruler is there in the business, he will definitely keep secrets. If you spread out or take consent of others, if you discuss your strategies with others, there might be a scope of things getting revealed. Sense of accomplishment is also easy to understand, because if a single owner can start with very basic legal formalities his own business, he will be using his own directives to run the particular business and will not be under anybody's rule. So a sense of satisfaction can be achieved.